Nollywood actor cum producer Zubi Michael shows off the interior of his luxury apartment. See why Davido gifted his daughter Imade another gift. Bobrisky and his Ivorian PA Onye reconcile. Hello my correct people there, wanna welcome back to my channel. If you're new, wanna welcome. If you're old, wanna zuba welcome. Alright, now wanna help me check below, wanna see the subscribe button, click on that subscribe button, and subscribe to this channel. And I beg not forget me ring that notification bell, ring, so that you will be the first person to get notification anytime where I post video. Alright, so my correct people them, so today I want just to now say fire wey we don't catch fire, it dey hard you before the fire no go catch again. Bobrisky and this thing Onye abi Onye like say na Nigerian name. Alright then, and this thing Onye of a girl, no be small thing. No, I can't dey hear for small and me boss say Bobrisky and the girl they don't reconcile, but I've been saying a lie till I can't go read one writer was for somewhere where Bobrisky even still call and say my daughter. You can't still like, you know, I can't see when the people screenshot say my daughter. I can't put love emoji and I'm not say nothing with me. I like evidence. I go sit down say I didn't do any video. I go make sure say I see evidence. So I can't say my daughter with the love emoji. I say what now? I can't say say two of them they don't reconcile. Say Bobrisky they even give her like endorsement and all that. Me I can say we should come be all this song. She did her place now. How Bobrisky did they give him endorsement? She don't become Bobrisky they connected to there for every course. I don't know say the girl don't even dey Niger. See waiting she write I'm back to Nigeria. My friends pay for my ticket to come back. But as she come back out, then she and Bobrisky they don't reconcile. So I read according to waiting this blogger right. See the Bobrisky, yeah, my daughter come put love emoji. Then for down, the blogger can write say Bobrisky and his Ivorian PA, whom he once called his daughter, yeah, has finally reconciled their differences. Bobrisky assisted her in getting endorsement deals despite the recent fight between them. No be small thing, yo. After she exposed Bobrisky like say tomorrow no day. Even posting picture they show in real face, yo. He said this is her real face when we are in the hotel together. As if say people don't know say Bobrisky na man. Tetele even drag table reach Tonto Dike side. He said Tonto Dike, Bobrisky said Tonto Dike they waka with different men and she dey rent cars with her boyfriend where they sell cars. They carry the form biz girl for Instagram. According to waiting this blogger writes, I don't know whether not true, I don't know whether not lie. But the level there be say that saga don't really turn the girl to big celebrity. We be say she don't they get endorsement whether not from Bobrisky or not from Bobrisky. But yeah, she's getting endorsement and then she don't get over 100 and something thousand followers. No be small thing. So the lady get one dance that she just posted recently when she got the dance. People gonna say, you don't like Bobrisky, but you did dance like him. No, if person do something where they do and if you say they succeed, the tendency of wanting to copy that person is there. So maybe she don't say I feel like saying that this Bobrisky dance on and they make market they sell for them, then they make and they get connection or go to go or maybe Bobrisky down here and one or two. So who knows? So she can't dance like Bobrisky, people can't they talk. We can read the comment for now. Alright, so my correct people then no be small thing no. Another story where I want to share for now this afternoon now about Zubi Michaels. Yes, so Zubi Michael, we know I'm now very hardworking Nollywood actor and producer. He don't unveil a house for inside Lagos no be small thing. No, the house makes sense, no be small. He start to show us the house, you know, when they go with level by level till they don't reach this final stage, and the second text that shows interior of the house. Now wow, now me I come the one that say some people they be like say their village people, they know they follow them. They say everything that they do, they just bring her come online like this. They need to even fear say no man, do am private first this one. But at last na bad pass this life. Now our mindset na be everything. Some people wey they always think say people dey after them, na them na people they always dey after. That's why even the Bible say as a man thinketh in his heart, so he is. Alright, so my correct people them and the level be that even another video we make on the trend, people going to say they are so in love with Mercy Johnson. Mercy Johnson is such a beautiful soul that she going to play with her children for rain, like say tomorrow no day. They say sweet people belle no be small, because when I know say because of all this hustle thing where they happen, people sometimes they go to pursue money, forget to show their children love. And children waiting they need now that love, maybe even about money. Some waiting they even know about money self. And when you don't grow, you don't they face responsibilities. Now there you be they think of money. So parents don't they forget about, you know, spending quality time with their children just because they say they want pursue money. So Mercy Johnson being a celebrity come out like that on the, although she'd always post videos where or she and her children playing together, but this one she come out like some more begin come they play for rain. Oh, the thing melts people heart. Well, we can read some comments and we will talk about them. No be some. Alright, so this first person here say, my love for Mercy Johnson is too much. One thing I like most about her is how she respects her husband and secure her marriage, unlike other celebrities, feminists we have today. She looks after her home and don't show her other side in front of her children, like the comedy kid she did with Alema. I wish other female celebrities will emulate her character. Another person can say, one of the reasons she can do this is because she doesn't have any boss to answer to. May God bless me with enough resources so I can have time for my family. I love you, ma. Alright, so another person can say, this is the best I have seen so far. Doing this will make your children love you and they won't ever forget this. Everything in this life is not about being serious all the time. Person will say all work and no play, make Jack a dull boy, no be fool abeg. Play away the stress and sorrow abeg. Alright, so the next person can say, this lady is a damn good character and acting has eaten a whole lot of her that she can't stay without portraying her good God-given talent. Kudos to the best actress ever. Alright, so while Mercy Johnson children they enjoy her, Imade too they follow, they enjoy her papa Davido. Apart from enjoying her father Davido, she don't follow enjoy many privileges, as he never tell where she signed a major endorsement deal with Eva Soap. No be small thing, no. He never tell too where the papa give him Range Rover. So see her here for Eva Soap commercial. No be small thing, you. All these children, they turn small stars every day. I never even talk mouth finish for Wizkid pikin. See Davido pikin too. They sign major endorsement deals. Better money don't they fall on her for this tender age. No wonder they say the rich will keep getting richer. Now so no be lie yo. Alright, so my correct people then. So Imade is one of the latest ambassador, where she the ambassador for Eva Soap, and her father will be Davido. They super proud of her. We be say he just want to do more and more things. He never still we give her Range Rover Sport as a birthday gift. Now he don't buy him another designer door bag. No be small thing yo. Imade cut soap for me now. As everything now they go say me they cut soap for me. Oh hey, no be small thing. Oh my correct people them. Now so Cardi B and her husband they buy their daughter designer bag. People come dey talky. That bag wey Emma dey hold so no be small money o. But thank God she too, she don dey make her own money for this tender age. Small thing. Alright, so my correct people then. Una thank you so much for watching. Una stay beautiful. Una bye.